Good evening, Mirha. Are you ready for a special zoo trip?
Yes, Papa.
You will see animals under the sunset. Let's get ready. All ready for school, Mirha?
Almost, Papa. Don't forget this.
Ah, good thinking. In it goes.
Yay!
Time to go, Mirha.
Zoo, here we come.
Welcome to the zoo, Mirha.
Wow, look at all the animals.
Yes, strong and brave.
Roar! I am brave too.
Do you want to feed the giraffe?
Yes, its neck is so long. Papa, monkeys are funny.
Yes, they swing and play a lot. That's it, Mirha. Listen, Mirha, parrots can talk.
Hello, parrot. Say hi. Hi.
Time for a snack.
Yay, I'm hungry. Papa, the elephant's ears are huge.
Yes, and the trunk is very long.
Papa, penguins are so cute.
Yes, and they waddle funny.
Look at the black and white stripes.
Each zebra is different.
I like them all. Papa, kangaroos jump high.
Yes, they are very strong.
Papa, hippos are huge.
Yes, and they swim very well. Let's have a snack.
Yay, I am hungry.
Do you want a toy?
Yes, a lion toy. Goodbye, animals.
See you next time.
Papa, I love the zoo.
I'm glad, my little explorer. Did you learn many animals today?
Yes, lions, monkeys, giraffes, penguins.
You are a smart girl.
I love the zoo.
Night, my explorer.
Good night, Papa. I will dream about animals.
Sweet dreams, little one.
I will. Papa, I can see the zoo lights from my window.
Even from home, it feels magical.